Hello everybody, this is Jason from Blue Weather. If you would like this video and subscribe below to my channel. We're also on Facebook at Blue Weather at facebook.com. Alright, let's get into this tropical system. This tropical system is expected to be a tropical depression by late today or early Thursday morning. Just so you know what a tropical depression is, that's an area of thunderstorms that produce circular wind flow with winds up to 39 miles per hour. Now, once the system gets over 39 to 73 miles per hour, then it's considered a tropical storm. And if it does reach 74 miles per hour winds, it would be considered a Category 1 hurricane. All right, right into the model data here. This is the Euro, and as you can tell, it is showing it landfalling on the western side of Louisiana. Just so you know that it's expected to land anywhere between Galveston, Texas, to the Louisiana-Mississippi border. So pretty much Louisiana. And on this Euro, it's showing it impacting the land at a 982 millibar storm, which could very well be a Category 1 hurricane if that was the case. The Euro, GSF, and the ICON models all show it possibly reaching a Category 1 hurricane status. Too early to tell yet, but one thing for sure, the water is going to be favorable temperature-wise, and the lack of wind shear will also allow this storm to develop quickly. So how long it's over water will dictate how big this system actually gets. On to the GSF. The GSF this morning was showing it reaching a 980 millibar storm, which, like I said, could possibly be a Category 1 hurricane as well. And you see it falling on the eastern side of Louisiana. On to the GSF legacy model. It's showing it closer to the Mississippi side, but it's showing it a 991 millibar storm, which would be a tropical storm. Go on to the Canadian model. Once again, Louisiana landfall, 994 millibar tropical storm is what it was showing. The ICON model, 987 millibar storms, what it's showing. If that's the case, it could very well be a Category 1 hurricane. Too early to tell yet, because a lot of the data is showing that it may only be a tropical storm, which we'll get into here in just a second. All right, here's the spaghetti noodles, I guess you could call it, for the Invest 92 model track guidance. As you can tell, it shows it going west off the Florida Panhandle coast and then turning up into the Louisiana area. After that, as far as land impacts, definitely anywhere on that coast expect very, very heavy rainfall, which also I had heard may kind of push those levees a little bit along the close to the Mississippi River. I think some of those upgrades on the levees that they had done is not quite complete yet on the river part, because that storm surge obviously is going to push the Mississippi to raise. The model intensity guidance, as you can tell, there's quite a bit of the models showing it reaching a tropical storm status within the next 48 to 72 hours. You see one little stray model saying Category 2 hurricane. I kind of doubt that it'll reach Category 2 hurricane, but definitely Category 1 is not out of the question. Like I said, I've seen at least 3 models this morning of the ones I named off shows that the millibars could be low enough that it could actually reach Category 1 hurricane. But right now, we're just going to say that it's going to be at least a tropical storm. As far as once it gets inland, it's to be determined yet exactly what the mid-Atlantic East Coast will get off of it. A lot of it depends of we get how much of the remnants we get off of. We'll just have to watch it and see. But I thank you for your support. If you will, like this video, subscribe to my channel below, and as also we're on Facebook at Blue Weather at facebook.com, and appreciate your support. Everybody stay safe and have a wonderful